Okay, so here we go. I have been challenged, Mr. Tony Schiena. So here it is. I'm in Canada, and I'm preparing my nice, of course, what we have here is beautiful halibut, actually, on the west coast, close to Vancouver. We have that a lot. And of course, something that's very fresh that I love, that's local, that's yam fries. I know they're called sweet potato fries in the States, but, a little bit more north, we have it a little bit different. So I've already done all the preparation. A little extra special olive oil from Italy because you guys are the best for olive oil and oil. Got my white wine because I'm having some fish. This is a local because I live in the wine capital of Canada. I should be drinking local, right? And I know Italia, and man, you guys are the best over there, but the food, the wine. So anyways, I prepared my meal. I should have did a little bit more on what I actually put on the cod. It's kind of dill, a little bit of salt, but it's I don't know, Himalayan sea salt, I'm kind of funny with salt and pepper. That's my thing, salt and pepper. And olive oil, and here we go. And I got the stove on, and I'm about to cook it up, and I'll put part 2 and what it tastes like. Cheers. All right. The food has come out of the stove. It's tasting pretty good. I've had a little sample on the side. The yam fries are mwah, and I'm about to have halibut, which I had to correct myself. I said cod before. So thank you, Tony, for the challenge. I'm now challenging my ex-roommate, Dane, Hanson, chef, wow, extraordinaire. Now on his own, pro surfer. So I know he's got some wicked kitchen set up and he'll be whipping it up. So Dane, show us how it's done, my friend. As a bachelor on his own, isolated, take care of yourselves. Cheers, everybody.